We got Peppa Pig. Make some noise in the chat if we're fucking with Peppa Pig.
I'm going through this entire organized. Sweaty and gross, but I'm not gonna shower until the end of the day because I'm still gonna go outside, so I don't know what's the point of showering, and then I'm going to go outside and smell like outside. I'm reorganizing my stuff, and I realized I have a lot of old makeup to throw out. I'm going through this entire organizer of makeup.
I don't wanna talk about your life. You don't gotta give a fuck about mine. And it's all a lie. Are you pretty?
My mom wanted to see me with the new bag, so we're using it, and I know she's gonna watch this for sure.
I'm not your guy. Take me back, go get sober. No, I won't come back when it's all over. I won't lie, I know you don't like when I talk like that.
Good morning, but also not really good morning because it's 2 p.m.
No, I won't come back when it's all over. It's hard to walk alone sometimes, but I'm alright. Baby, it's hard to look back at the times, but I'm alright, my baby.
We got Peppa Pig. Make some noise in the chat if we're fucking with Peppa Pig.
Maybe I could be your stylist. Maybe I could be something more. Well, baby, it's always summertime. When I'm with you, that's not a lie.
Went into Walmart for cuticle oil, came out with the sound bar.
내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 때 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 때다 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나 I just wanna make you mine until the end my summertime.
I fell back asleep, and now it's suddenly 1:30. Oopsies.
많은 사랑 노래들 이런 뻔한 가사를 쓰지만 다른 노래와는 달라 너를 위해 쓴 게 아니잖아 선물이 된 노래야 특별해 특별해 Oh, maybe you could be my solid.
I need to fix my nails. Niru, what are you doing here?
매일 밤 가슴이 터질 때다 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나 I just wanna make you mine until the end my summer ends when you turn around the sunlight fades so don't go it's only bright when you are near seasons come and go 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 듯한 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나 I just wanna make you mine until the end 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 듯한 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래 네가 돌아볼 때마다
I got back from IKEA. I'm gonna clean up a little bit before I shower. Oh my god. I haven't done much today. I did clean this week. I cleaned up a lot of my desk this week. That was from lunch. Sorry. I'm probably gonna go edit. Okay, pumpkin spice try out. Taste test. We're pretty good. Tastes just like an iced coffee.
That's what I'm saying. Does it taste like pumpkin?
Oh, it tastes like the spice.
I guess that's okay. I feel like I'm spoiled from
I don't know.
chocolate juice.
It tastes like what is it? A seasoned iced coffee. Like it tastes like a little bit better than the plain iced coffee. That's it.
I feel like that's not worth it.
Yeah.
I don't know if the price hike is because it's pumpkin spice or did they actually change brownies to $6? You know.
Inflation. Guess who I'm making bald today?
It's Caillou.
Wow.
I have not recorded anything today, and it's 4:30, but I did record a TikTok. But that's about it. Level up.
I know why. Is it so fun?
Oh my god.